Good morning, class. The idea of this video tutorial is to show you how to access and do different things with Piktochart. Here I have already access to my account, okay, which I created using the school institutional mail, and I have some infographics created from the past, so I'm using one of those just to show you how to do this, okay? So, on the left side of this, you're going to find the options that you have to include in your infographics, okay? There are different options, including graphics, and you can upload images that you want to use. So, if you Google something and you want to use that image, what you do is to save that image in your computer, and after you save it in your computer, you can upload it here using this button. You can change the background that you are using, and you can add different types of text following these instructions here. It is not difficult. It is really friendly to do the infographics. Once you have finished with this, well, you need to give it a title. When you have a title, you need to make sure that it's saved, okay? And you can always do the preview of what you have done. This button is to download in the case that you are doing an infographics for another teacher and that teacher is asking you to bring it printed, so you can download this. But what I need you to do is to share, because you know I don't like paper, waste of paper. So we are going to share this. When we share this is the dialog box that appears, and it says share externally, and here in blue I need you to change this to anyone can view the sharing link, okay? That is given anyone to have the link to check what you have done. You stop here, you stand here and it makes blue, and you go copiar. Once you have done this part, okay, you just close it here and you come on videos, and here in videos you paste the link. How do you paste the link? Using this button, it says insertar o editar vínculo. So you paste the link, and when you paste the link, you click aceptar, and it is going to appear here, easy to access, okay? That is a way of doing that. I am posting the assignment here in Phileas, so what you will have there as a link is the link to access to this. Uh, I'm sorry, this link is not going to appear in your assignment, okay? So this is how we do things here. It's not difficult. It's pretty easy. If you want to make it smaller to you, that what you are doing, you can move it from here. And uh, any question that you have, and I hope there are not too many questions, you can always write to me. Remember that I have a family, so I hope you are not sending messages at midnight. Thank you very much.